Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how to view system notifications in TikTok app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write comments and also put your likes under this video. So friends, let us get into this topic. First of all, open the TikTok app on your device. And then you'll need to go to the inbox section at the bottom. Now you can scroll down if you have, say, a lot of messages. You can scroll and find this system notifications option. Click on that. And here you can see all the system notifications that you have from TikTok. You'll be able to see what updates there are, what important notifications there are. What are the new interesting things that are available from TikTok? So see all the notifications that are important to you. With this quick and easy method, you can easily view system notifications in TikTok. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, and write comments. Take care.